In this video, we're gonna take a look at Kvcore CRM. Is this the best real estate CRM or not? So I have a list with different pros and cons, so we're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna start with the pros. Built specifically for real estate agents, powerful lead generation and smart automation, integrated IDX website and marketing tools, excellent drip campaigns and follow-up tools. Now these are the pros. Now we're gonna take a look at the cons. So as you can see, steep learning curve for new users, so it's gonna be harder to learn how to use it, can be expensive for small teams, and mobile app isn't as robust as the desktop version. So as you can see, we have here the mobile app. Then we have, as you can see, some features requires add-ons which will cost you more money. Now overall, Kvcore is one of the best CRMs for real estate professionals seeking an all-in-one lead-to-close solution, but it may be too complex for or pricey for solo agents just starting out. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.